Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today I'm actually going to be working on a trailer because trailers need brakes too. Now, this trailer actually needs axles because this one's got a stanced position and it's not supposed to be a stanced trailer. Yeah, the wheels should be straight up and down. Needless to say, this axle's bent. And this trailer is about 8 years old. It has tens of thousands of miles on it. This thing has been all over the place. It could actually use a paint job, but I'm not going to get to that. But we're going to go ahead and put 2 new axles onto this thing. We'll see what we do. Stick around. So I decided the easiest way to do this would be out in the parking lot. It's actually a pretty cool day. Nice overcast Ohio. Cool May day. I'm gonna jack the trailer up and pull the wheels off, drop 2 axles out of it, put 2 brand new axles into it. That'll do that. Tools you have. They are worn out. Brakes have already been disconnected for me. This trailer is actually pretty good shape considering its age. Side out. Oh, I gotta snip a couple wires. These straps are almost worn through. I'll have to pick up some more straps for it. You can see how far those are worn. You guys got quite a bit of wear to it too. So we'll get new straps for it. battery doing? Oh, it's not too bad. I guess the next thing we're going to do is rewire this trailer. Knurled. That one's not supposed to rotate. Here's that one. That's good to know. I did not know that. That's why they were so hard to get turning. And so hard to beat out. Makes sense. Look, learn new stuff every day. Every day, learn something new. Makes life a lot more interesting. New set of bolts and straps is in order. Finish tightening all this stuff down. I'm sure somebody's going to say, Rich, you should have jack stands under this. I probably should, but I have a truck over there, which it's not going anywhere. And that wrecker that I'm using to jack this up and down while I'm doing this hauled that 9,000 pound excursion home 2 days ago. So I'm not too worried about the hydraulics on the hoist, and I have a jack under here too, so I think I'll be okay for today. Maybe not tomorrow, but we'll see. I need to get those to flip back over. I guess I'll put it on one axle, tires on one axle first. This tire was getting shaved off on the inside because of all that extra camber that didn't need to be there. Holy cow, it's even the right lug pattern. Got a bag of new nuts. Use the new nuts. Nuts are always better than old nuts. Boing. There we go. All right, easy peasy. So next is going to be rewiring and probably cleaning the deck and putting a little black paint on it. But for now, that's all I've got time for. Really not too bad of a deal. So cost-wise, I was able to get these axles from people who built the trailer. I called them up. I said, hey, I got 2 bent axles. They were both bent on this side, which probably heavily loaded with a God only knows what. And when you get this side of the trailer off the side of the road and hits those bumps, it just beats the heck out of the axle tube. So that axle was bent really bad. This one was bent a little. I decided to do 2 new axles because for $359 a piece, I got the axles, the springs, and the U-bolt kits. So I have $711 in changing out both axles. This trailer would be like $4 or $5 grand to buy one new. So putting $700 into this thing to make it run for another 7 years, that's cost effective. I like it. So it's been a good trailer. We'll keep it running. That's what we do. Well, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. You guys have a safe day. See you on the next one. I think we're gonna need to put taller risers on it to get a little more clearance to the deck. Because that looks like it's damaged from bottoming onto the frame. That's a pretty good bend though.